and good morning everyone. Today I'm Zainab. So I'm not just giving a science presentation. I'm going to take you on a fun journey to explore the magic of water. So we'll test what object sinks, what floats. So I didn't bring a clear bowl, but don't worry, I will show you everything clearly. So at first I want to explain that what is float. Float is when something stays on the top of water, it doesn't go down. For example, like a bottle cap. If we drop it in water, so it will stay on top of water because it is light in weight. So what is sink? Sink is when something goes straight to the bottom of water and it goes straight in the water because it's heavy. So I'm going to test which object sinks, which floats. The first one is a bottle cap. Who think this will sink?
No, I don't think.
It will float because, could you see that? If we also do it like this and put it down in water, it will goes up because it is light. And the second one is a coin. Second one is coin. Could you, who think this will sink? Let's see. Could you see it? It sinks because it is heavy. The third one is pearl. Who thinks this will float? It sinks because it is heavy. The fourth one is a fat leaf. Let's see. At first it stays on top of water. If we do it like this, it goes straight to the bottom. Could you believe it? It sinks because if we put a fabric or cotton in water, it will go straight to the bottom because if we put a real leaf, so it will float on water because they have small tiny holes and it will float on water. A hair clip. Could you who thinks that it will float? It sinks because it is heavy. A box or bucket. Let's see. This floats because it is light in weight. Although if we put it like this, it comes on the bottom. A cap of a pointer. It floats because it is light in weight. Here. A paper. Who thinks that it will float?
It sinks.
It floats because it is light in weight. Here. So this was my presentation about float and sink. And the fake leaf goes straight to the bottom because it breaks the surface tension of water. So we know some objects sink while some float. And science explains everything. Thanks for watching my little